Hi, my loves. How is everyone doing? Fine, I hope. Today I'll be showing you loves how I made this luxury box of roses. Now these rose boxes are all over Instagram and I just love them, and I'm finally going to DIY it myself. These boxes run anywhere from $100 to $500, and I cannot afford that price. So I'm going to show you how I only spent $34.47 to make this gorgeous arrangement. If you're interested, just keep on watching. Now these are the items that you're going to need. You're going to need a storage box, which I picked this up from Joann Fabric for $11.99. You're going to need some ribbon of your choice. I picked that up also at Joann for $4.99, and some beads for $4.49, still at Joann Fabric. Now at Walmart, I picked my flowers up. They were $3 each, and I got 3 bundles of those. And you're going to need some glitter glue, which I got from the Dollar Tree, some foam, which I picked up 3 of those, and that's it. So let's get started. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is you're going to take your roses and you're going to cut them down to the size that you think you're going to need. And I did mine by how high I wanted mine. So I cut mine to about the rim, but if you want yours shorter, you can cut yours shorter. It doesn't matter. You're going to take your wire cutters, you're going to cut it, and you're going to cut off the stems as well. You don't need those. So cut all of those off. If you have any tags on there, make sure you cut those off as well. Once you get those all cut up, then you're going to take your rose, like so, and you're going to take your beads that you already cut up, and you're going to start gluing them on. Okay, so you're going to take your flower, and you're going to take your glue gun, and you're going to just put a little dab of glue, as little as possible, on one of your petals, and you're going to take one of your beads. These are very hard to pick up. And you're just going to place it on that glue. Okay, be very careful of this glue because as you know it is hot. And you're going to place it on there like so. And you're just going to put them like different places. You're not going to do any one of your petals, just different ones. Sometimes these beads are hard to pick up, guys. Whatever way you can pick them up, whatever works best for you. I'm using these tweezers. They help a little bit. See? Alright, now I'll put one right here. With all your flowers, get your glue strings off because there will be a lot of them. See how pretty that looks? And I think I'll do one more. I'll put one here. Just a little dab of glue is all you need. I think I'll put one more right there. Little as possible. then you're going to move on to putting your glitter glue on. Now for your glitter glue, you're just going to put them on. You can put them on the same petal as you put the beads on if you want, but I prefer to put some like on petals that don't have the beads as well. So I would probably put one there, and I would put one on this outer one, and you're just going to squeeze out just a little bit like that. Okay, and I'll put one on the petal that has one bead on it. And you can just do the side of one if you want. That is a cute look as well. And I also even like to go on the inside where the bud is supposed to be, and I like to just top a little glitter glue on the bud, on the edge of it, like that. And when this dries, guys, this is going to look so beautiful. I tell you, it is really going to look beautiful. Okay, so you're going to do all of your roses like this, and you're going to wait for them to dry. And once they are dry, you're going to take your storage box, and you're going to start placing your roses in your storage box. Okay, so we're just going to stick them in the foam. See, I already have put my foam in there. I didn't use no rhyme or reason. I just stuck it in there. And I'm going to stick my first petal in there. See, that's kind of tall. I might put that down and put them very close together as possible. And we're going to just do a circle all the way down. That might be too close. You don't want any gaps. You want it to look very natural. I want mine just to peek over the edge, like so. This one might be a little taller than I want, so I might put that one down some. Have to go back and cut some down because they're too tall. Just go back and cut them down a little bit. Like some over here I have is too tall, so I'm going to cut those down. Now I have my first row in. I'm going to start filling in the middle. And guys, I put the beads on there because you know I'm extra and I had to do more to them, but if you wanted to just leave them plain and did not want to go through all that extra, that's perfectly fine. You can do yours the way you want to. But I think this look just gives it a more glam, beautiful look. So I'm going to stick one more. I want it to look very full. And there it is, guys. This is my box of roses. Now, we still got to do a little more to it though. Next, you're going to take your ribbon and you can choose any ribbon that you like, but I chose this wired ribbon with some, I think it's called iridescent glitter on it. And I thought this was so pretty, so I'm going to use this. You could just use a plain white ribbon if you wanted to, but I thought this was just so pretty, so I'm going to use this one. Tie my bow here. How cute is that, guys? How cute is that? So adorable. So adorable. You can put it with the ribbon or without the ribbon. I think it still will look beautiful. Okay, now we're going to put that aside for a minute. And I want to add something even more to the top. Okay, I'm going to take one of my beads here. Oops. Well, that one broke, so we'll try another one. Okay. I think I want to add some beads around the top as well. So let's do that. Put a little glue, a little more. And I'm just going to take that all the way around. I think that will look so cute. Just like around the middle of it. believe it or not, it fit all the way around there. I did not have to even cut any off. So that's just perfect. That is perfect. And guys, you can display these roses on a coffee table or in your bedroom or even for a centerpiece. You can also spray them with some rose spray so they'll smell just like real roses, which is what I'm going to do for these. You don't have to even just use these for Valentine's Day or Mother's Day. These are perfect for any day. They can be used for wedding centerpieces, or you can just give them to someone you love, like your mom or your aunt. If you change the color to blue roses or pink roses, you can even use it for a baby reveal. Or you can just have them for yourself, like I'm going to do. No matter what you use them for, they are gorgeous. So guys, I'm going to be giving one of these gorgeous arrangements away in an upcoming giveaway. But if you don't win it in the giveaway, they will be available soon in my Etsy shop. I'll leave the info for that in the description box down below. Also, loves, some people have not been able to add their DIY videos to the list. So make sure you title your video Divas DIY Glam Series 2019 and put the hashtag Divas DIY Glam Series 2019 in your description box, and it should be added. Okay guys, so that's it for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to tap that notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload another video. So guys, I'm going to give you another look. Bye bye, my loves.